Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 83. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So the number on the box is NE189820230. Let's get on with the break. Start off with the decoy. First card, we have a base card for the Islanders of John Tavares, 53/199. John Tavares. We have a beautiful hit here. It's for the Canadiens of Patrick Waugh. Patch auto card, 12/25. Patrick Waugh for the Canadiens. Nice hit for Montreal. We have short print rookie gold for the Devils of Keith Kincaid, 12/25. We have a complete rookies for the Predators of Ryan Ellis, 17/25. Nice hit for Nashville. Complete rookies of Ryan Ellis. We have our patch auto rookie card for the Penguins of Robert Bortuzzo, 115/199. Robert Bortuzzo. We have a Mammoth swatch card for the Avalanche of Gabriel Landeskog, 18/50. Gabriel Landeskog. Then we have a jersey card for the Blues of Brett Hull, 65/100. Brett Hull. Then to finish it off, we have a base card, gold parallel, 9/25 of Roberto Luongo for the Canucks, 9/25. And then a decoy. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.